here is turning or moving.
Okay.
Oh God, and look at them go.
I guess I should be saying something. All I've done is take movies. Anyway, the fellows are in the boat. They're in the water. They're backing around and getting ready to go up to the other harbor. And everything has gone swimmingly so far. Here we are at the other harbor. They're going to park it over there just to the right of that little houseboat, and Joni and I are over here waiting for them to come around the bend down there.
Pretty fast. I'm going to get down on the dock.
Here they come. They just came out of the other harbor and they're headed our way, and Joni's headed down to tie the boat up when it gets there. But they're moving right along. Here it comes. I'm gonna just wait until I get a good shot of it coming around the dock. There they are. Okay, I'm gonna go down below now. Well, it's a beautiful day to move a boat. That's Joni over there in the black hoodie. And they've stopped. Here they come. Trying to figure out how to make a turn, I guess. Okay, might take him a couple of tries. Maybe not. Nope. There they go. They're turning the boat around. I guess they're going to back in here. Well, they're just about turned around. Here they come. Flying Bridge, or the Fly Bridge. I think it's Flying Bridge. But you have to keep your wits about you. You want in here? Is that where you're going?
Yeah, this is.
Oh, good. Okay. They're working on it. I think they're learning about maneuvering the boat. Okay, there they are. They're trying to maneuver into this slip right here. Okay, here they come in.
This will be good with Clary's red shirt.
They're pulling into the slip. Everything's going great. Okay, they're tying her up.
I got you. We're not tied up. You didn't tie us up.
It's tied up!
This is exciting.
So Larry's tying it off. Charlie's coming down. Everything went off without a hitch.